Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a rolling end credit with Capcut application. So the first thing that you have to prepare is the background of the video. Here I already have the background. I would like to use with this purple bluish color here, and the next thing we need to do is just go setting the durations of the rolling end credits. So we just need to go click the clip and you just need to drag into the specific durations that you want. Let's say here I would like to have this 18, or I think it's quite too long, so I would like to make it shorter than the 13. So right after that, you just need to go make sure that this straight line is standing in the first or the beginning of the clip. Now you just need to go back and go click the text. Go click this add text and you just need to top writing every credits of the movie. So here I would like to make it fast by click the paste because I already prepared this for you. And then you just need to go click this checklist button, and you can also do the styling by click this style. You can adjusting the positions. Just need to like type into the spacing, make it like in the middle, to pinch with two of your finger. You can also adjusting the space here, so I will let to have the space for each line right here. And now you just need to change the style of the color. It's forever, it's everything is up to you. So let's do it color of the text. So here I would like to use the black one so that they will be like clearly seen. I would like to make it a little bit bigger again. Now you just need to click this checklist button. Now don't forget to drag this duration so that the duration is just the same with the duration of the video right there. And now the next thing we need to do is just bring the straight line again into the beginning of the clip, and now we just need to like drag the text and into the down part until it disappears. And now you just need to go click this add keyframe. The next thing you need to do is just go bring the straight line into the end of the clip, and then you just need to drag the text so that the text will be end in the top until it disappears. Okay, and let's just check the result. Now it's already rolling. So that is the way how to do the rolling end credit with the Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.